Heard about the weather? Well, more than 30 million people are under winter weather alerts across the country on one of the busiest travel days of the year.
Much of that weather is impacting the Midwest. WGN's Emmy Victor is live tonight from O'Hare. She joins us now. Emmy.
Well, there's been no shortage of people here at O'Hare. Things have been quite busy here at Terminal 1. We did speak with a few people who said they experienced little disruptions, but a majority of people we spoke with said they did. People traveling through the Chicago area today may have to pack their patience. A combination of storms here and elsewhere has been disrupting post-Christmas travel for thousands.
We were coming in from Kansas City and our flight got delayed about 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours.
Ground stops were issued both this morning and this afternoon at O'Hare as severe thunderstorms swept through the area. More than 1,000 flights have been delayed today between Chicago's two airports. More than 75 flights have been scrubbed entirely. For many travelers, the disruptions haven't been limited to the heavy rain falling outside of the airport.
I was headed to Des Moines, Iowa.
Winter weather has also impacted airports in parts of the upper Midwest and the Northeast this weekend, creating a ripple effect for both inbound and outbound flights.
They texted me and told me my flight was canceled because of weather. I guess it's snowing there.
With nearly 4.8 million people projected to travel through O'Hare and Midway this holiday season, some travelers brace themselves for the worst.
I mean, delays happen all the time. It's busy, it's holiday season. It's to be expected. They can't help the weather, so.
Well, those optimistic for good weather still have another week to go. The holiday travel period runs through Monday, January 5th. Reporting live at O'Hare, Emmy Victor, WGN News.
Emmy, thanks very much.